Do you know many people are having trouble with maintaining their car's coolant levels? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check coolant. Keep an eye on your coolant level every time you refuel your car. Step 2. Change interval. Change the coolant in your Honda Accord every 60,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers. Step 3. Prepare engine. Ensure the engine is cool before removing the radiator cap to relieve pressure. Step 4. Drain coolant. Drain the old coolant safely and dispose of it according to local regulations. Step 5. Refill coolant. Refill with Honda Long Life Antifreeze / Coolant Type 2 up to the MAX line. Step 6. Check leaks. Check for leaks and ensure the radiator cap is secured tightly. After these steps, your Honda Accord's coolant system should be good to go. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.